Steven from Recreational Power Sports. Just got in this brand new Mirrocraft Holiday 1768 2022. Brand spanking new. Just got rigged with a Mercury engine. I'll go through that all after. Just want to show you the coolest part of the whole boat here. Obviously, this back bench is a really nice feature for the ability to fish and or take the family out, hang out, have other people out with you, have some drinks, some cocktails, relax. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial. We'll speed it up to show you how fast we could change this into a real fishing boat. And this here is now a big casting platform. You can see how large it is, how much room there is to be able to cast off of it, do whatever you need. When you have the rear bench down, you have access to a very large live well. You can see right here, we got a couple extras in here and a very large live well. When the bench is flipped up, you still have access to the live well with the one side gate, right? So we open that up, now you got access to the live well with the bench up. When it's down, you got access all around. On the front here, you can see just ahead of that, we have our rod locker, which opens up like that and has a second opening, so it allows you to get right in there and add all your rods and all your lights and everything right in there. Driver's helm here, you can see some of the nice features that Mirrocraft has. First off, they got a full fiberglass console on both sides. Nice feature about the fiberglass is that it doesn't chip, doesn't crack, it doesn't fade. If any of those three things do happen by an unfortunate event, you can fix it easily and repair it easily, unlike plastic where you can't. A couple nice features at the front here. So once again, Steven's favorite thing, tilt steering, upgraded steering wheel. We got a full chrome gauge package here. We got the ability to install a 7-inch fish screen right here. So we can do a flush mount, fits nice and tight right into the dash. On the passenger side here, we got a nice large glove box, grab handle, cup holders all over the place. As you can see, we got the swivel, slide, and tilt and folding seats. I like to add a couple nice features into the boat. I add some courtesy lights. Some courtesy lights in the front, the sides, in the live well as well. We got a Bluetooth stereo. Once again, so wireless, or it's Bluetooth, so you get the speakers up front and everything. If you come to the front of the boat, we got a post here for another seat location. It is removable, and or the table, so you can move the table up here, whatever you choose. The cushions are removable, so if you're going out fishing, you don't want the cushions, you could just stand up underneath on the. We can just stand right on the front platform here. We got storage underneath both sides, all the way around. And as you can see inside, we do have vinyl on the floor, which is very nice. Pre-wired once again for a trolling motor, courtesy light, and just some storage. Side of the boat, you can see the colors we picked. So Mirrocraft comes factory with the gray outside, and then you add your two tones. So we added the blue on this one. It looks very sleek. Chrome logo, obviously. And it's a fully painted boat, riveted boat as well. Limited lifetime warranty on it. This is the Holiday 1766 once again. I add pop-up cleats to it on all my boats so you don't stub your toes. Keep your fingers and everything safe there. Around back, you can see we put the Mercury Pro XS 115 horse on this boat. So this boat is fully outfitted, ready to go with an easy loader trailer and ready to hit the water.